Good morning to Vlogmas Day. I don't know what it is, but I'm about to do a face mask real quick, like a sheet mask, because my skin feels very like malnourished. So I'm gonna put on a antioxidant mask. Here is gonna help my skin look healthier, and I'm just gonna leave this on for about 10 minutes. So let's open this up. I am getting ready. After I do this mask, I need to get ready for a birthday party we're going to, one of my daughter's friends party, and I'm pretty much dressed. I'm just gonna go really casual because we're going to like a casual place where kids jump around. So it's like a trampoline park thing, and make sure I'm not touching my lashes. My skin was looking so dry and crusty and just not cute. So hopefully like the 10 minutes I have this on can make a difference. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this on for 10 minutes. I'm gonna throw out the packaging. And then I'm gonna do my makeup. So for today's makeup, I'm gonna be very simple, like, you know, quick makeup. I'm gonna pick out some things that I'm gonna use. My top drawer here, I definitely need edge control, so I'm gonna pick this out. This is the 24-hour brow setter. Where is it? Let's take my Gimme Brow, and I need to pluck some hair off my face. I need to sharpen something. Eye cream. This is the Kylie eye cream. I've been using this one, trying it out. My lotion, which I've been obsessing with, loving it. Alright, so for lips, I'm gonna do this one from Laura Mercier. It's kind of nude, but it's really pretty. Alright, so for this situation, so many options. I need to pick something cute. Alright, what's this? I haven't used this in forever, so I'm gonna use this today. And I'm also gonna use I'm gonna use the Full Spectrum bronzer. And then for blush, I think I'm gonna use this one from Flower Beauty. Today I'm gonna do something different, so I think I might try, no. I think I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion. I think it's a little too light, so I'm gonna mix this with something else. I'm gonna mix it with my favorite Maybelline nasty looking. For powder, honestly, I'm gonna use Kat Von D because I like it. I'm gonna use some of the Hourglass powder. And then for lips, I'm gonna use, let's see what we're gonna do. I actually want to use this. And then for eyes, I'm not really going to do much to my eyes, but I'm going to just take my Jackie palette because I haven't used this in a hot month. Once I take this mask off, then I'll come back on here because for now it's kind of like boring. So I'm going to take this off, you guys. It's been over 10 minutes, maybe like 15 minutes. Whew, the hydration. All right, I'm going to rub this in. I'm going to rub this in completely because I don't want my foundation to be moving around on my face, so make sure you rub this in. I'm gonna do some eye cream. This is the Kylie eye cream, and I've been using it like, I don't know, off and on for about a month. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, like I do forget eye cream more than I should, but it happens because I feel like I'm always in a hurry. I'm gonna use this primer from Rimmel. This is a mattifying primer. I'm just gonna put this in the areas of my face that do get more oily. I've been breaking out and I don't know what's causing it, like more than usual. I don't know, because I haven't done anything. Well, I've done some things different. Like I've been eating horrible, that's for sure. Like the holiday season is my worst season of eating. I feel like I say that every season. I don't know. Summertime there's ice creams. Holiday season there's like all these pastries and cakes and I don't know. It's tough out here in these streets, man. But the New Year's around the corner, and we're making changes. Like, I usually do make changes in the new year, and I usually stick with it for a while, but this year is like, we for real. Like, we for real. So I'm gonna take my lotion. This is the Laura Mercier lotion I showed you guys recently. This is amazing. Laura Mercier lotion. I actually gave my mom the other one. She's enjoying it. She shared it with my dad last night, and she was like, oh my gosh, he loves it too. They've been really enjoying it. All right, so I'm gonna do my brows. All right, y'all, so we're gonna do brows. I feel like it's a little bit bright. Let's go a little down. All right, what is that? Is that, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. There's like stuff on my camera. Hopefully that's better. All right, so I'm gonna do my brows. I'm using the ColourPop brow pencil. I've been using this all week, like I said, and I love it. It's the bomb. It's amazing, and it's affordable. The shade I have is black and brown. Black and brown. Black. Back, forth and forth. All right, I'm gonna use my mirror from my Jackie palette. Yesterday we were talking about how Christmas is literally around the corner and nobody understands how it happened. It's so crazy, you guys, because like the older you get, the quicker time goes by. I think it has something to do with like you're getting closer to the end, so like time goes by. When you're young, you have like, you know, 90 years potentially, but the closer you get to like 100, you know, the quicker time seems to go by. We're gonna do this side. Hello? Hello? Where are you right now? Are you getting it now, or are you getting it?
I'm at Home Goods. No, I just remembered. I'm at Home Goods.
I'm gonna just tweeze my face because you guys know I have like little hair that grows here sometimes. Where is it? I have PCOS, so I do get ingrown hairs. I get those too, but I do get hairs that grow on my jawline sometimes, you know, and I like to take them out. I don't always like to pluck them because that can leave dark marks. All right, I think I'm gonna just spray some of this Mario Badescu on my face because I don't know what's going on. All right, so I'm gonna do foundation because I already did my primer. Actually, I'm gonna do a little bit of concealer first. I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty first, right under my eye. This one is high coverage, super coverage, and I have the shade Salted Caramel. This is like not a highlighting shade for me. It's kind of more of a color correcting shade on me, but I do like it a lot because it gives so much coverage and it helps, you know, color correct at the same time. So I like to use this when I feel like I want a little extra coverage. All right, so you see how this just literally conceals my under eye, does not look as deep and gloomy and tired. I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I said I was gonna mix this one with my Maybelline, but let's just see what this looks like first. Actually, yeah, that's way too light. Boom, it looks like concealer. And I'm gonna take my Maybelline and mostly use Maybelline with a little bit of this one mixed into it. Actually, I just mixed the whole thing together, in case you're wondering what I did. I just mixed them together, and hopefully the shade is good. I'll probably add more of the Maybelline one if I need to, because I probably will need to add some more because of the shade. The Laura Mercier foundation actually feels really good. Like, I love the formula of it. I'm gonna take my Smashbox concealer now and put this under my eye. I do have to like work with the shade a little bit better because it's not my perfect shade match. I'm gonna blend this in and then do my under eye. I'm gonna use this Hourglass powder, which I have a love-hate relationship with, but hopefully today I love it.
It's always been the sound of you.
Alright, I'm gonna use the CoverGirl.
It's always been the way you smell.
And we're gonna use this Bobbi Brown thing that I haven't used in ages, but I think it was pretty when I used to use it.
wonder if we'll keep on growing.
I'm gonna take pinker right here.
Different if we're caught up in a storm. 'Cause like the rain, we will fall, we will move on too. And there's no need for shelter on days like this. Like the rain, we will fall, we will move on too. And there's no need for shelter on days like this. There's no need for shelter.
I just looked in the mirror at my foundation, my base, and girl, these two foundations together is a look. Like, they look so good together. All right, so for my hair, I'm just going out to the party thing, like I said, so I'm not really gonna do much, but I do want to like fix it. It looks crazy. So thumbnail, I don't know where to start. All right, why don't I set my face here? Let me set my face real quick with the Smashbox spray. I'm gonna start with dry shampoo because I need some in the back of my head. It feels very like oily. I'm gonna brush this out.
Those deeper, deeper roots, we gotta give our love. Those deeper, deeper roots, you know the sunshine ain't the only.
I'm gonna just straighten this out. And I know you guys are like, some of you guys are not for the straightening part, but like honestly, if you want healthy hair, then it's important to keep your hair like away from heat products, or heat, I should say, heat tools. But I'm not a person who's big on that. I don't want my hair to be completely fried, I'm not saying that, but like I don't really mind heat damage because I do not wear my hair natural, like barely ever. It's just not something I'm into. I almost want to relax my hair, to be honest. If the chemicals were not so dangerous, I would have done it like already, because it's just, I'm not into like the whole wash and go. I'm not into like twist outs or anything like that. Like when I wear my hair natural, the first day it looks cute in a wash out, a wash and go. Yeah, wash and go. And then by like the third day it looks horrible, and then I have to end up wearing it in like a bun or something for the rest of the week, which I'm not really into, which I don't always want to do. So it's in my hair, it looks really nice. I'm gonna do my jewelry. This hair has been holding up really well, you guys, and it's from Sunba Hair. I said that every time, I think, but in case you didn't know. And let me spray my hair first with this shine spray from Redken. It's diamond oil. Let's see what accessories I want to wear. Natural lighting is the best. You see this window light though? Like this window light looks better than my ring light, if you ask me. This is what I'm wearing. Just this top is from Target. These regular sweats, and this bag is from Rebecca Minkoff, with my Chanel earrings. I'm in the car with Calais, he's back there. We're getting some stuff to eat because it's kind of early. We left with a lot of time. So we're gonna go to Target to get a toy, but there's a lot of traffic at the mall, I guess because it's like the Christmas season. Everyone is getting Christmas presents, and we didn't really think about that. So we were gonna go eat at the mall real quick before the party, but we decided to go to like a deli and get some stuff from there. That way we don't have to like wait at any restaurant or anything like that. So that's what we're gonna do. Hi Clay, say hi to the vlog.
Bye.
So I know I missed a few days of Vlogmas, 3 days I think. But basically this week was really rough. Monday my daughter was taken to urgent care. We found out she had strep throat, so she's been on antibiotics since Monday. By Tuesday, I think Wednesday night, my son started feeling a little sick. He had like an ear pain, and we were like kind of worried, like, you know, because she already has strep throat. So we took him to urgent care to find out if everything was okay, and he ended up having an ear infection. They feel a lot better now. They're back to themselves, although they still need to take the medication. And they're no longer contagious or anything like that. But that was my week. Like, it was just really rough. Tomorrow, or actually tonight, we might go on a date. We haven't been on a date in like a month, or like, it's been a while. So we're gonna go on a date, hopefully. Oh my gosh, did you guys hear my stomach? I don't know where we're gonna go though, so I'm gonna look at some places. I kind of want to do sushi, but I don't know, we'll see. At Target, is this right? Ew, lipstick. Coffee at Target.
Cause Kelly.
But there's no knife. Okay, we'll get
This one, and then we'll do some paper, right? What color paper? Something that matches the bluish.